Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, minimalist backyard oasis featuring a rectangular pool with dark gray tiles, surrounded by a light-colored wooden deck. The deck extends to a contemporary container home with dark gray metal siding. Large sliding glass doors open directly onto the deck, offering views of the interior living area, which features warm light and a piece of abstract art. The home is framed by lush greenery, including bamboo plants and mature trees. The sky is a soft, light blue. The scene is lit with natural and ambient light, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. The color palette is muted, with a soft blend of light grays, blues, browns, and beige. A modern, contemporary, and stylishly designed home with a large swimming pool, situated in a lush, mature forest setting. Mid-century modern architectural aesthetics with a rustic metal accent. The home is constructed of dark metal, with large windows offering expansive views of the surrounding trees. A fire pit is within the decking area, with a blazing fire. A decked outdoor living space surrounds and extends from the home to the pool area, all with a neutral color scheme. Dark wood, muted metal tones. The pool is a brilliant cerulean blue, with reflective tiles. Outdoor lounge furniture is arranged in a relaxing and functional posture, inviting calmness and comfort. A vibrant, Mediterranean-style villa with a terracotta orange facade, accented with teal shutters and arched doorways. Large olive trees and lush greenery cascade down the walls, creating a sense of depth and intimacy. A sparkling blue swimming pool sits in the foreground, reflecting the surrounding architecture and foliage. The villa features multiple windows with dark green shutters, a covered patio area, and a charming outdoor dining space with wicker chairs and a table. A modern stainless steel grill is positioned against the house. A modern, minimalist home with a large pool, set against a dramatic sunset. The house features a dark, charcoal gray exterior with a flat roofline and large windows overlooking the pool and surrounding landscape. A pool deck with light gray stone pavers leads down to a rectangular swimming pool reflecting the vibrant colors of the sunset. The sky is filled with a beautiful mix of warm, rosy pink, orange, and fiery sunset hues, with layers of clouds. The view encompasses a cityscape visible in the distance nestled in hills below, with trees and greenery lining the landscape. A fire pit with a round, metal bowl sits on the deck beside the pool. A modern, rustic cabin nestled in a forest, featuring a container home with a warm rusted orange/brown exterior. The building is situated among trees with vibrant autumn foliage in various shades of orange, red, and yellow. Large windows provide expansive views of the surrounding forest. A deck made of light gray wood planks extends out from the home, with a dark, reflecting pool, and a dining table set for a meal under the trees. The mood is sophisticated and calming. The style is hyper-realistic, focused on capturing the details of the building, the trees, and the deck. The colors are rich and in focus, reflecting the natural beauty of the setting. A modern, minimalist, contemporary home with a large infinity pool overlooking a mountain vista. Hyper-realistic rendering. The home features a dark gray metal exterior, with large windows showcasing the breathtaking views. The house is elevated, nestled into a hillside and appears to be constructed of steel shipping containers. Glass doors and windows provide a connection between the interior and the outdoors. The pool is a deep teal/turquoise, reflecting the sky and mountains. Outdoor furniture, including lounge chairs and a dining table with metal chairs, are positioned beside the pool. The surrounding landscape includes lush greenery, trees, and a mix of light brown and gray rocks. A tropical outdoor scene featuring a modern, minimalist hot tub nestled within a lush garden. A container-style home, with dark gray metal framing and light wood panels, provides a covered patio area. The hot tub is dark gray, with a contemporary, rectangular shape, and water is bubbling gently. The surrounding area is paved with light gray stones. The container home has an interior with a queen bed, various plants, and soft lighting. The garden is filled with vibrant green banana leaves, lush greenery, and some scattered palm trees, creating a tropical atmosphere. A modern, minimalist, contemporary luxury home with a large infinity pool, set high on a hillside overlooking a valley with a distant mountain range. The house, constructed from steel shipping containers, has a warm, rusty orange exterior, contrasting with dark gray metal framework and large glass windows. There are comfortable lounge chairs and a large, beige ottoman on a deck extending over the infinity pool. The pool is a deep, reflective blue, reflecting the sky and the greenery surrounding it. The scenery is full of lush, green trees and shrubs. The lighting is bright, natural, and sunny, suggesting a tranquil morning or afternoon. A modern, minimalist home with a stunning outdoor pool area. Mid-century Impressionist aesthetic. A dark gray metal-clad, contemporary house with solar panels on the roof sits nestled amongst mature oak trees. The house has large sliding glass doors that open onto a light beige travertine patio. Outdoor furniture, including a chaise lounge and armchairs in neutral tones, black, beige, gray, off-white, and a small side table are strategically placed around a small, contemporary, charcoal-colored concrete pool. The pool has a noticeable light beige stone edging and a dark teal/deep blue pool. The landscape has a mix of low-growing shrubs and plants, with a gentle slope leading down to the pool area that opens to a vista of a forest-like landscape of varying shades of green trees. A vibrant, Bohemian-style container home with a private pool. The scene is daylit, featuring a dark teal blue shipping container transformed into a cozy living space. Inside, a king-sized bed with a variety of colorful throws and pillows sits on a rustic wooden platform. Warm, ambient lighting from string lights and paper lanterns hangs from the wooden ceiling structure of the container. The landscaping of the yard is visible through the open container, with lush foliage, wooden fencing, and potted plants. Outside the container, there is a small, rectangular pool with a light teal color. Cushioned seating areas are placed in the container and pool area, accented with orange and navy blue throw pillows. A modern, minimalist, multi-level home built on a hillside overlooking a valley. The home is constructed from dark gray metal and dark wood, with large glass windows and sliding doors showcasing indoor-outdoor living. A large infinity pool stretches across the lower level, with a glass railing and lighting illuminating the scene. The surrounding hillside is covered in lush, green vegetation, including palm trees and other tropical plants. The sky is a soft, light blue-gray, indicative of twilight or early evening. Golden-hued lighting accents the outdoor seating areas and the pool, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A stunning, hyper-realistic view of a modern, multi-level house built from stacked shipping containers, nestled on a waterfront cliff overlooking a calm lake. The containers are a warm, burnt orange/rust color, contrasted with black metal framing and glass windows. The house has multiple decks and outdoor spaces, and a large, rectangular infinity pool extends directly into the lake. Sun-drenched wooden decking connects the various levels, and comfortable lounge chairs are positioned on one deck. The setting is lush with greenery, dense trees and foliage surround the house, providing a natural backdrop against the clear blue sky. A modern, container home nestled in a desert landscape. Hyper-realistic rendering. Large, multi-level deck surrounding a swimming pool with cascading water features. The home is constructed of metal shipping containers, featuring a mix of rusty orange/brown and dark gray/black exteriors. Large sliding glass doors reveal the interior, which includes a kitchen, living area and a balcony with a view of the mountains. Various desert plants and succulents fill the landscaping. A desert landscape of mountains and arid hills backs the home. Warm, sunny light bathes the scene, highlighting the textures of the materials and casting soft shadows. A luxurious modern home with an outdoor living space featuring a sleek glass and metal pergola, a jacuzzi, and a stylish guest house or outdoor lounge area. The design includes floor-to-ceiling glass doors, a wooden deck, and lush greenery, creating a perfect balance between nature and contemporary architecture.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.